Big Doss of Bum City.
Well, for what you want to do right now, you want to start off with the jab. We pop, pop. And then you go jab, boom, boom. You have to bring this back, and that's the knockout punch. The actual knockout punch is to make two punches sound like one.
Let's go!
Woo! How much? No. You keep your hands up. Pop, pop, boom, boom. And that's the knockout punch. Whoa! Whoa! What the f am I doing here? You have a problem.
You big dosser.
I'm not really into the goofy gimmick stuff. People love it though.
Yeah! Ngannou! You're getting it, you big dosser! You big stiff dosser, you get knocked out! You get knocked out, Sling! You big dosser!
Listen, the new heavyweight champ in the world right here, Francis Ngannou.
Shut your mouth or I'll smack it in.
You have to go. You understand, right? Francis. I'm not trying to make you laugh.
How does that make any sense? A gimmick fight, it's all about these gimmicky type fights. It's just not what we do here. It makes no sense to me.
It's going to be entertaining. You have to go. You understand, right?
Yes, absolutely.
I'm Mike Tyson. I'm a monster. I'm an animal. I know the art of fight. I know the art of war. That's all I ever studied.
Yes, of course.